let's talk about 6 reasons why right now is the best time to drive a Tesla on Uber. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. And that's right, we're gonna go over different reasons why it's great to drive an electric car or a Tesla on the Uber platform versus a gas car. Let's get to the 6 reasons right now, and we will have a bonus one coming at the end of the video. And that one could have some huge implications when it comes to the Uber's algorithm and how you drive. So make sure you stick around for that at the end. All right, so number 1, let's get the elephant in the room right off the bat, and that is gas prices. No matter where you are in the country or in the world, gas prices are at an all-time high for everybody. So if you have the option to not have to deal with gas prices and deal with electric charging prices, well, that's going to help you when it comes to not having such a huge expense when you are driving Uber or Lyft. So that is definitely a huge number 1 reason why when it comes down to driving an EV or a Tesla over a gas-powered car. Number 2, better and more frequent tips. Any driver who's driving a Tesla on the Uber or Lyft platforms are always saying that they're seeing more frequent tip percentage rates and also better tips for the people who are tipping. And this is really coming down to something called perceived value. This is something I've talked about previously on a couple of videos before on getting better and more frequent tips, and it comes down to perceived value. If the perceived value is high, you have a greater chance of getting a tip and even a better tip. Number 3, Uber just launched electric comfort, and that translates into 50% higher rates. Number 4, better ratings. And again, this is something that's tied to number 2 that we were talking about just now about more and bigger tips. This is about perceived value. Again, the perceived value is there when it comes to a Tesla. So if you get into a Tesla, that perceived value is going to translate not just into tips, but better ratings. Number 5, you're also getting $1 extra per ride when you're driving a Tesla or an EV on the Uber platform. This goes up to $4,000. So if you give 4,000 rides in a year, that's an extra $4,000 just because you're driving an EV versus a gas-powered car. Couple that with the 45 or 55 cent fuel surcharge, and now you're making around $1.50 extra per ride. Number 6, it's a fun car to drive. Let's be real. Probably Teslas are one of the more fun cars to drive on the road today. And if you're able to take some of the added features and little bonuses that they put into their cars and use that when people are in the car, it's just gonna make it more fun to drive overall. All right, let's get to our bonus. And before we do that, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, smash that like button. And also, if you're somebody who is kind of thinking about becoming an EV owner and just kind of want to know a little bit more, make sure you check the link in the description below, which will take you to our Facebook page, which is an EV group. And it's going to talk about many different things within EVs and being in the rideshare and food delivery arena. All right, let's get to that bonus one right now. And this is pure speculation. This is not something that I can prove or know, but if you drive a Tesla on the Uber platform, you might be able to help verify this. So make sure you comment your thoughts and experiences below. And this is, does Uber's algorithm favor Teslas? So does that mean that the algorithm favors Tesla? It's very possible. There's been a lot of people who've come forward and said, I've been getting better rides. I've been getting better people who are coming into the cars. They're better overall. There's a lot of factors that have changed driving before a Tesla to after a Tesla. And so it begs the question, does the algorithm favor Tesla owners? So again, if you're driving a Tesla right now, what have you noticed? Have you noticed these changes? Share your experiences, comments below. Now, if you're somebody who is looking to get better and more frequent tips, check out this video right here, and it's going to help you as a driver do what you can to help get better tips. Not only that, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. All right, drive safe, everyone.